Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at this Galaxy S3 copy Chinese phone. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Galaxy S3 Chinese copy. This is quite rare now. If you look these up on YouTube and that, you won't see many of them. You'll see loads of copies, but this particular one has got a really unusual smaller screen, which is quite rare. See this one here. This is the original. This one here. See the screen. This is really bigger screen, as you can see. And if we look at the volume rockers, they're in the same place. By here. We have the headphone jacks. They're in the same place. More or less. That side, the power button's in the same place. And obviously the charging ports are in the same place. So look at the power button, the home buttons. This one is lower down, near the bottom, and this one's higher up. See what I mean with the screen? Hell of a difference. The phone is more or less the same size, as you can see, but the screen itself is way smaller, which is very unusual. And obviously on the fake one, you haven't got the other two dots here. You just got the one, and that's it. At the back, obviously this original one I've had a good beating, and this original back cover in anyway. I did lose the original one, but you know, I can plainly see it looks identical. I mean, you wouldn't notice unless, only way you can tell this is unreal is because the screen is a lot smaller. Hello! That's the only reason you can tell is the same. Yeah. Right then, let's have a look at the backs inside. Now this one actually it tries to tell you there's the original. Let's take this back off as well, the original one. Take the battery out. Right, you are. There they are, side by side with no batteries. Yeah, with no back cover on, no battery. This is the fake one, and it clearly tries to tell you that it is the same phone as this. Look at that one. GT i9, whatever it is, and that one tries to tell you the same. Yeah. Let's put the back. This one, the fake one, I haven't got the original battery anymore, because obviously when I had this phone it was all bulged right up and it wouldn't hold to charge at all. But I managed to find this old Nokia battery that fits in there a treat, like so, and it just about fits in there as well, but I can't put the back on because the battery is sticking out too much. But that doesn't matter. At least we can still see it working. Let's put the original battery back in the original S3. That won't go on there. Yeah, just to show you the fake back cover will not fit on the original phone. It nearly goes on there, but it won't actually click in. So obviously it must be a slightly different shape. Right then. Oh, what's that? Right, let's start these up together then. Yeah. Let's just unlock this one. There we are. And we can clearly see this end original. By the quality of the screen, it's quite poor. Yeah. This one you actually go like that, it was like a globe. Yeah. Right, so let's have a look at this fake one now then. Let's have a look at the ringtones. Let's have a look at the settings. You have to actually use your nail. So you would try, oh, it's working now with the finger. But sometimes you normally have to use your nail because it won't work. The touch screen is not very sensitive. So let's go there, sound settings. Ringtones. Right, let's start off with number 1. Let's do the ringtones. The sound and quality on this is pretty poor. The speaker, as you can tell. Then, right, let's have a laugh and try out the camera. Pretty poor camera. this phone was actually made in, I believe, in 2012. So you would expect the camera to be a bit better than this, because that is quite poor. As you can see, not very good, but it is what it is. Obviously the other apps you got on there, and if you go like that, it will change the thing. Obviously we've got a couple of games on here, as you can see. I'll show them now in a minute. I'll ring the phone as well in a minute. Obviously you won't get Facebook on there. Get that off, we don't want that on there. Right, so let's have a quick look at the menus a minute. It looks similar to the original, but obviously you can tell it's not original. For one, start the picture on the quality of the actual picture is quite poor. Some pictures I took. The camera ones. They're alright, you know, but it's not something you want to use on a daily basis. Well, I wouldn't anyway. Got a radio. All the usual stuff. Right then, let's try this game. Just going to show you how it goes. I don't even know how we're supposed to think, because the screen is quite bizarre. It doesn't work properly, I don't think. So that's that game. Exit. Now we'll try this one. Come on, let's have a go at this one. Look at that. Superb. Perhaps you're going to try to walk off. I don't know, yeah, you walk off it. Yeah. That's that one. Go away. Right, I don't know what that one is. That's not supported. Go away. And we have this one. Ringtone space. I don't understand what this one is. Fantastic wallpaper. Funny. No. It's not supporting that one by the looks of it. So this one is Tom and Ben. I haven't got a clue what that one is. Oh, we all know this one. We all remember this. Oh, excellent. Yeah. Exit. There's the games. who can't actually play the games properly because the sensitivity of the screen is quite poor. So you couldn't play them properly if you tried. The Fruit and the Ninja is not so bad, but all the others are quite near enough impossible to play. Yeah. We'll scroll all different pages. Calendar. Tap for music to add music. Contacts. Back to that. There you are. What else can I show you? I showed you the camera. Like this, ring it then. I'll give it a little ring, I think. Like I said, this phone is, I believe, is quite rare because I can't find one anywhere, so exactly the same as this anyway. Yeah. Very cool. And there are, what you think of that? It's quite unique, quite old and rare. You probably won't get another one of these, I don't expect, but you probably would like eventually, but they are quite rare now. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much and bye.